Hi, so now I will show you how to use Google Slides. So once you're in Google Slides, you can use a template that's already made for you, or you can use a blank one. So I'm going to choose to use the blank slide for now. So this is what it's going to look like when you open it. So this is kind of going to be your headed page. And then they have all these themes on this side for you to choose from. A whole bunch of different ones, depending on what you're kind of presenting. So we're just going to choose this one. So then you can just, you're going to add your title, and then you can do a subtitle if you want, and just all kinds of cute things like that. So, actually, let's do this. So after you type, you can either insert another text box if you needed to add something else, add photos, different drawings and shapes. Here you can actually fill the box in a different color if you needed to. You can change the border color to a different color. So, and then after you unselect it, you can see all of that. You can change the width of the lines, make dots, change the font, make the font size, make it bold, all kinds of different things. Here you can add a link that if you needed that. And then some more things, just different alignments, bullets, indentions, and things like that. So after you get the title page set up, you're gonna probably want to go. You can do it here. So you can do new slide, or you can duplicate the same slide. So if we do new slide, it's just going to bring you to the next one that they kind of have set up in their system. If you would go to slide though, and then you can click apply layout, this all the set themes that are all set slides for the theme they have in the program. So you can select any different one that you would want to type on to present like your next slide in your presentation. So if you were to go up here, this is just where you can like insert all the different images, text box, videos, different diagrams, do word art, or you can add animations. So animations is like a transition basically. So if you want to transition the slide in, we're actually going to go this one. You're going to go here, and we're going to do dissolve. And you can change the speed if you want and apply it to all slides, so you have to go in if you just want the same one every time. And you click play, and it's just going to dissolve in. So very cool, especially if you have some like objects or pictures that you want to rotate in and out of the slides. So that's all for insert. You can also insert new slides and slide numbers down here. Format, so that's going to be if you need the bullet and text, line space, and all that. Slide again, if you want new slides, duplicate, change, layout, transition, stuff all like that. Going back to file, this is where you're going to find, you can email it, and it's going to allow you to email as a PDF, plain text, or Microsoft PowerPoint, depending on which program the person you send it to uses. And you can also go to version history, see version. So this is going to be like the first version of where we very first started off. If you go here, you can just kind of click through all different versions. So like if you accidentally might have deleted something, added something you didn't want, you can go back here and just click restore the version that you're actually looking for, and that's very simple to use. If you go here, this is where you can share your slide presentations. So we can name it, so we'll just name it Kenny's 205. It's always a smart idea to name everything in Google because it's going to save automatically. It's going to be hard to find otherwise. So then you just type the email that you want the person you're inviting, and then they can either edit the slides, they can comment only, or they can view, and then you can just send that to them. If you were to go to advanced settings, this is where you can see all the people that you've shared that slides with, or you can add more people to that. Okay, and then one last thing, in presentations, so this is like where you can practice presenting. You can write stuff to like know what you say. You can use a pointer, so like you can just point to things on the screen. You can ask questions, and then if you have any notes, so the notes is a really cool, we're going to exit out of this. Notes is a really cool thing to use. You can just type down here and what you kind of want to say about the slide. If you have like one topic you're just going to talk about instead of writing all the bullets, you can just write them all down here, and then in presentation you're going to be able to see the notes that you take. Sorry about that. It kind of egged out. Okay, and then one more thing, if you were to go here, this is, you can view different. If you have more than one side, you can do it there. So that is about it for Google Slides. Thank you.